Alright, what's going on, guys? Back to work on the 74.5. Thank God, it's been a while. Been wanting to work on this thing ever since we got the 77, but 77 took precedence. And if you want to know what's going on with the 77, it is actually at Sports Car Craftsmen right now. It is running rich. I can't figure out why it's running rich. I'm not giving it up, I'm just giving it to somebody that's more experienced on the 175. I've seen a lot of people, even on the MG experience, that carburetor, even if you know what you're doing, it's still kind of hard to tune. So figure, why am I going to mess around with it? Because I still got to get it to pass emissions, so I'm kind of in a rush. I can't be messing around with it because I really hoping I can sell it. So got our free time, gonna do some sanding. I finished a couple of spots. You can see there and there. I did a couple of spots. Luckily it was first shot that I was actually able to get that pretty smooth in there, so I'm happy with that. Let's see, what else are we going to do? More updates. When the 77 gets back, I'm probably going to put the rocker on, dig up some cash, and we'll get the dog leg. We'll put that on. So we'll make videos of that. On this one, I think I may be able to, it's kind of staying warm right now. Ever since we did put up the wall in the garage, it has been warmer. Only got 2 bars left on my battery, so whenever this dies, it dies. Because it's just going to be a whole bunch of sanding, and do you really want to watch me sand? Actually, I think I'll spare you the suffering. But I'm going to sand the rest of the trunk. That should finish that up. The dog leg over here. And then once those 2 pieces are good and I'm set, I'm done, I don't want to do anything more, I'm satisfied, then I'm going to move on to the fender. But maybe before I start on the new portion of the car, maybe I flip the car around and start working on the other side to finish the other side, because there's a couple of spots on the other side that I still need to touch up a little bit. And I think we're finished with the fender on that side. So I think what we'll do is we'll go ahead and we'll bolt up that fender, because since we got the door skin, like I said, it's kind of staying warm, so I'm hoping I can get to it. I really want to get that video. I know a lot of you guys wanted the video of the door skin, and I really want to do that. I really want to try that out. And he said, you know, before you do that, make sure you line up the door and things like that. So I want to make sure the fender's on where I want it to go. And I don't think I have to do anything behind it or anything like that, so I might as well go ahead and just bolt that thing down where I want it, where it's going to be, get it fitted in there. In a way, because then it screws me a little bit, because then I got to put the hood on. But that's fine, I could put the hood back on, and I'd still have to put the other fender on so I could line it up. Now, I think I'm really going to have to put the whole front end together. So scratch that. I think I may end up just sanding that front fender, getting that the other right front fenders done, since I have it on this side already. I'm not going to worry about the door or anything like that, but I can still mock the door in to where I'm not even really going to be able to do that, am I? I don't know. We'll see what happens. I've never done this before, so I'm actually kind of really thinking about it. how am I actually going to be, how am I going to do it? Which means I'd have to put that door back on. But it would be difficult to put that door back on because I'm putting a door skin on it. So that's not going to be where I really want it to be. If I put the fender on, it's going to take a lot of adjusting. I don't know, we'll see. Maybe I really only need to do the fender. Just put the fender on, line up the door, and then I'm good to go. And then the hood will be its own, you know, separate piece, because I mean, I'm probably going to kick myself in the ass for this. How much could it be off? I don't know. But we could we could still always keep it, you know, make adjustments and stuff like that a little bit. I don't think it's going to be too terrible. Okay, I think that's what we'll do. We'll finish up that fender. We'll bolt that fender up somewhat. We'll leave it loose. How about that? We'll bolt it up, but we'll leave it loose. And then we'll do the other side. We'll bolt that one on. I'll throw the hood on it and see where that's at. And if I don't really need to make a huge adjustment on the fenders or anything like that, then I guess we can go ahead and, you know, see what happens when the fenders are completely bolted down back on the car. And then we'll see whether or not we actually have to make an adjustment to the fender, or if we can actually make the adjustments actually at the hood. I think we'll be okay because that's not a aftermarket hood. It's still the original hood, so it should still fit how it's supposed to. So, but anyway, rambling. I'm gonna get to this sanding. As you can tell, the music is off. I still don't understand that. I would understand if I'm playing music and I'm using that music to make money off of, but it's coming off the radio. My freaking videos are not monetized. I could see if I had my videos monetized, but they're not monetized. I don't think I need to monetize my videos. It doesn't make any sense. I think my videos are basically to show people ideas that what they could do, and maybe they're looking at me and they're saying, okay, do this different, giving me suggestions. So we'll see. But hey, take it easy. I'm gonna get back to sanding. I want to do this real quick. All right, take it easy, guys. Peace.